Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will show you some unusual ways to use a toilet brush. I understand that many people use it only in the toilet, but after watching this video you will definitely be surprised where else you can use it. For the first use of a toilet brush, take baking soda and add some water. You should get a mixture like this. Light tile grout gets dirty quite quickly and turns gray. Using a toilet brush, this problem can be easily solved. Apply the prepared mixture to the grout. Next, start cleaning using a toilet brush. Combined with soda paste, it will perfectly wash away dirt from the grout. After cleaning, wipe the tiles and grout with a damp cloth to remove any remaining baking soda and let the grout dry thoroughly. Look how good the grout looks after cleaning. A toilet brush is also great if you need to clean dirt off the soles of your shoes. Wet the brush with water and rub the sole with it. Fresh dirt will wash off very quickly, but if you didn't clean the soles immediately after a walk and the dirt has dried, then fill a flat container with some water and put the shoes in the water. This will soften the dirt and make it easier for you to wash it off. I had dried mulberry on my soles, and as you can see, everything was cleaned. In the car, you can use a toilet brush to clean the car wheels. Spray them with a shampoo or foam you usually use to wash your car. Now, slightly wet the brush and start cleaning. With its help, you will be able to wash all the hard-to-reach areas without getting your hands dirty. When you are done cleaning your wheels, rinse the brush, dry it, and put it where you keep all your car care supplies. Well, just a couple of minutes and the wheel is clean. All that remains is to rinse everything off with water. These are how dirty the car wheels were. And these are the wheels now. They are clean again and shine like new. Now let's look at the second option of how to use a toilet brush for a car. To do this, we need to cut off the handle from the toilet brush. Now this part needs to be secured in an electric screwdriver. You can use this device to clean car mats, moreover for both rubber and felt mats. First I'll show you the second option. Shake out the mat and clean its surface with a brush. If the mat was very dirty, then a lot of dust and debris will fly out of it. If you have a rubber mat, you first need to wet it with water, then add a cleaning agent and also clean it with a brush. In such mats, dust gets into all corners, you need to clean every square, and a brush does a great job of this. It cleans everything very quickly and well, and after cleaning, the mat will be beautiful and clean again. These are the unusual ways to use a toilet brush that I wanted to share with you today. If you also use it in an unconventional way in your everyday life, please write about it in the comments. I hope you liked these tips, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.